What's up, everybody? It's your boy Tamort. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Think RC, y'all. Today's video, basically, I'll be replacing my sealer cover, gear cover, whatever you want to call it. As y'all could see, I already unscrewed it and did what I had to do, because reason for that being, basically, the reason why it's already open, or dismantle, or whatever you want to call it, too. Sorry about that, y'all. But anyway, the reason why it's like this right now is because today I was actually outside bashing it, me and my homeboy, and basically what happened was, I was hitting it too hard, I think. So the little gear right here kind of get like loose or whatever, and it was actually in the back. It was pushed back there, so it wasn't really touching this one right here. So it was actually pressing the trigger on the controller, but it wasn't doing nothing. It was just making sounds and stuff like that. So it was like, hey T, look, I don't know what happened, but yeah, long story short, that was the problem. So I bring it back to the table and open it up, and that was the problem, y'all. So it's nothing major. I thought I would have to replace the whole gearing box or whatever, the motor or whatever. I thought I had to do a lot of crazy thing like buy new stuff or whatever. But thanks to God, or thanks to the men upstairs. Thanks to the men upstairs. Thank the men upstairs for not making it, worse than what it is. But anyway, guys, since I was already in there, I decided, just change the gearing cover, just to get it out the way or whatever, and not, make a complete, new video of changing the covers and stuff like that. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna just like kill two birds with one stone. I don't know if you guys understand what I mean, but basically, I will be replacing the front bumper too. I'm a big fan of RPM, the brand RPM. Let me see if I could find it. Okay, there it is. There it is. Basically I have two of them, one for my Rustler and one for my Stampede. This is my project car, guys, so I'll be doing a lot of work to this. I already changed the motor, so now I'm changing the gear cap. And guys, the part number is 80529. So if you guys consider getting one of these, and it's not that expensive too, guys, it's like $6.95, so $7. And it's a sealed gear cover. So basically this worked for a few of their cars, which is the Rustler, the Stampede, Bandit, Slash. Basically that's all. So XL5 and VXL model. So definitely, guys, if you guys ever thinking about changes things, then definitely. I'm actually gonna get everything out and running right now. So give me a second. Alright, guys, so now let's open this bad boy up and let's put it on. Simple stuff, guys. Really simple. You get a few stickers too, so you get the RPM sticker. I'm gonna need that. Alright, guys, and that's that for that. Simple stuff, like I'm saying, guys, it's really simple. It's nothing like not hard or anything like that. It's not hard at all. So now we get that out the way, let's go ahead and put the wheel back on. Alright, let's go ahead and change the bumper. Let's push it a little bit back. Alright, let's change this bumper now. Alright guys, here's the bumper, and like I said, I'm a big fan of RPM. Alright guys, enough talking. I know you guys not, here to listen to me talking about crazy stuff. Now, out with the hole and with the new. Red is my favorite color, y'all. I mean, blue is my favorite color, but I like red. I like my stuff being red. Alright, let's get this screw back in. Make sure it's tight. Alright guys, and that's that. In my next video, I will change the skid plate under the bottom. So this is my next video. I don't want to waste no more of y'all time, so well, tell me what you guys think. Leave a comment below if you will. Let me know what you guys think about basically my new Stampede. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video, y'all. Peace.